Kumusta po kayo mga kabayan? In this video, we will answer 3 of the most important questions in One Health Pass and what to do in these cases. Number 1, can I generate the QR code in advance? Number 2, why don't I have a transaction number? Number 3, what do I do if my flight has been canceled? Sasagutin po natin ang pinaka-importanting katanungan ng mga ito patungkol sa paggamit ng One Health Pass at bibigyan po kayo ng patnubay kung ano ang maaari ninyong gawin. Una, pwede bang kumuha ng QR code in advance? Pangalawa, bakit wala akong transaction number? Pangatlo, na-cancel po ang flight ko. Ano ang gagawin? But before that, thank you for all your kind words about our recent videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-appreciate sa aming mga efforts sa paggawa ng mga ganitong tutorial. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider to do so. To get a notification when we upload the next one, hit the notification bell. And if you like our videos, you are free to hit the like button po. Salamat! Now, let's answer the first question. Can you generate your QR code in advance? The answer is, the system will allow you to do so, but if you generate your QR code in advance and not 24 hours before your flight, your QR code will expire in 24 hours. So on the day of your flight, your QR code is already invalid. As we explained in the last video, in your QR code, there is a date of when you have accomplished your EHDC or your health declaration. If your flight is, for example, October 14, you should register one day before, which should be October 13. But what if you registered on October 11? Then, this QR code that you have generated will be invalid at the time of your flight and you may not be allowed to board the airplane. I repeat, generate the QR code 24 hours before the flight. So, kung October 14 ang flight, sa October 13 po, kailangan mag-register. Okay po? So, for those who already generated their QR codes, what should you do? Ano pong gagawin nung mga may QR code na in advance? Can you generate another QR code? The answer is yes. And to do that, go to https://onehealthpass.com.ph. I repeat po, onehealthpass.com.ph. At ganito po dapat ang inyong makikita. Now, click the EHDC icon. And in there, you will be asked to input your transaction number. Okay, wag magpanic. I know that some of you have tried to register and did not get your transaction number. I will not explain why so that this video will be simpler. We will make another one to explain why is that happening. So bakit yung iba walang transaction number, diretso QR code ang nakukuha. Ipapaliwanag po natin yan sa next na video. So for this video, let's go back to our problem. What if you don't know your transaction number? Or what if you forgot, nakalimutan mag-screenshot or nakalimutan isulat sa papel or worse, pati yung email nakalimutan. Sana naman hindi. There is a way to know your transaction number. Go to the One Health Pass link. You should see something like this. Now, click on My Profile. In here, what you need to input is your QR code, which you know already. Kung hindi nyo po alam ang number, ito po yun, yung nagsisimula sa OSS, followed by some number. Click Search, and if your QR code is valid, you will see something like this. Scroll down until you see your transaction number. Okay, now that we know our transaction number, let's go back to the question, can I generate a new QR code? The answer is yes, but please, I have to repeat again and again, 24 hours before the flight para hindi mag-expire ang inyong QR code. Okay, to generate, go back sa One Health Pass. Click the EHDC icon. Click yes because you already have a registration. Then input your transaction number and last name. Scroll down and check if the information here are all still valid. Then at the end part of the video is the electronic health declaration that you need to complete. So just declare saan kayong mga bansa nang galing in the past 30 days, then answer if you have any exposure to COVID-19 cases, even suspected cases in the past 14 days. Declare if you have comorbidities, complete the security question, then click submit. Then click generate QR code. After some seconds, you will get your unique QR code. So again, kung ang flight natin October 14 minus 1 day, dapat October 13 tayo nag-register. Tignan natin, below your QR code, it says here that we submitted our EHDC on October 13. So yes, this QR code is valid. Now, the last question was, what happens if your flight has been cancelled? Pag nakansela po ang inyong flight, then mag-e-expire na po ang inyong QR code. And as what we have just discussed, take a screenshot of your transaction number or write it down on a paper if you need to. Then before your next flight, update your profile doon sa My Profile. Then 24 hours before your new flight, generate a new QR code. If there are still questions, please write them down sa comment section. Please also check out our complete One Health Pass guide in this video. I-click lang po ang video na ito para sa kumpletong gabay o step-by-step paano ang tamang pag-register, pagkuha ng transaction number, pagkuha ng POLO vaccine pass, at pagkuha ng QR code. Thanks for watching this video and see you on the next one.